What's up, guys? I bought a Vulcan Pro Tig 165 like a week ago. I haven't had any time to unbox it. I was sanding my RX-7 down, a bunch of other parts came in for it that I will show you at the end. But yeah, mostly I'm just going to be unboxing this. I'm not going to use it because I don't really have any metal and I'm tired and it's late, and I'm going to use it for the exhaust and the roll cage and all that on the RX-7 anyway, so you'll see it. But plus I still need to get gas so I can actually use the TIG. It is TIG and stick, just DC for both. But yeah, basically I'm just going to be unboxing this and showing you guys like what comes in it and everything and with it. I'm not going to be using it, so I can't do like a review. I'll do that at another time, but yeah, I'm just basically showing you what comes with it and everything, so yay. Congratulations, you have just purchased a state-of-the-art Vulcan Master Series welder. Cool. I got one of these when I passed high school too. Say congratulations and some other stuff, I don't know. So we got cardboard, yay. Ooh, the package is pretty nice, sturdy in there. Can't shake her out. Styrofoam stuff. That's cool, don't need that. A very tiny little welder boy, little baby. It's actually really light. I think it says it's only like 20 pounds, but yeah, this is really little and light for what I thought it would be. Tied a knot. I don't know how to untie knots. I don't even know how to tie knots. But yeah, then there's this other box. Contents: 200 amp ground clamp and cable, 200 amp stick electrode holder, TIG foot pedal, gas hose, TIG torch accessories, 240 volt input power cord, 120 volt input, my bad, input power cord, ARCO2 regulator, Vulcan sheet metal gauge, shoulder strap. I thought you only got shoulder straps with guns, but apparently you get shoulder strap with the welder. Okay. Ooh, wow. It smells like paint. Yeah, it smells like paint. It's really orange. It's like reflective orange, like a caution cone. Hold this, baby. Ugh. So we got a little fan on the back, dude. That's the turbo. That's the turbo right there. That's what makes all the welding happen. Okay, basically, that's what makes it happen. Real spinny boy. See, it spins. Yeah, that's a nice turbo. Just kidding. Anyway, this is a 240 outlet, I'm assuming. Yeah, the power input, which gives the welder power to weld things, dude, together. And then this is for the gas, little gas nozzle stuff. I need to buy a gas tank. Good thing though, this says it comes with the hose and the regulator. So we're Gucci. I just need to buy gas. Then, got some instructions on here. DC TIG settings for like what gauge thickness and everything, which is pretty cool. And then timers, I don't know what for. But yeah, this is the front. There's your ground, your positive and your negative inputs. On off switch. Sick nasty. It's like a push to start basically. And then you have your settings for TIG, TIG pulse, TIG lift, and then stick. And then the light for it's on, and then your voltage settings. And if you're running a 240 volt plug-in, it's in the orange, and the 120 is the white. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's got all kinds of stuff inside. I'll just take you guys down and show you. Now, we're gonna open the box. I need a knife. I got a knife, dude. Look at that. It's so sick. Alright. Coolio, yeah. So, it's got these, like, for what thickness and whatever, for what you need. Like if you're running that thick, diameter, timer things. I don't know what those are for. Warnings, what to not do or to do, depending on what kind of person you are. And then a bunch of other information that we're not going to use here because we don't know how to read. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty simple. I feel like sick ass turbo. Yeah, dude. I have to put that in my RX-7. Yeah, now we got this box. This is what it contains. So yeah, I'm gonna open that quick. Just gotta adjust this little stand flat. Hold on. I'll pull this out of here. Whoa. Super light, super easy. I'm basically like pro lifter or whatever. Anyway, there we go. Just gonna slice and then just a. Oh, I think I cut something. There's just more box. We're Gucci. Oh, that a foot pedal, dude? Oh, is that a regulator, dude? Oh, I need to move somewhere warmer. I'm whiter than this box, dude. Not good. No bueno. Foot pedal, and then this contains the rest of the stuff. So I'll open these two little boxes first. Bitch. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see what angle you're looking at. I don't want you looking at my nuts, so yeah. This box is very intricate. Big word. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. This is nice. This is very nice. Comes with little nozzle things and your gauge thing and your twisty to let how much air you want in or not. Pretty nice, actually. Use no oil. Everything dirty. I feel bad. Oh. Operating instructions. Don't need those, so cut this open. Just nice. Oh. 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 It's upside down. Oh. And then look at just. I should get a thing. Ah. Oh, it even says Vulcan on it, dude. Alright. The rest of the content. Just karate chop that box in half, dude. Yeet. So this contains the rest. Ground clamp and cable, stick electrode holder, gas hose, TIG torch, accessories, other stuff it says on there. I'm not trying to read it all again, so I'll just show you. Alright, here's your power source for the 240 volt thing. That's your old cord and whatnot. There's your little pluggy in thing. And this right here plugs into the back of the welder. So this plugs into the wall, and then that little dealio right there plugs in right there. I'm running out of space. This is the gas hose. This is the 120 volt plug-in. I don't want to take all these things out of the bag, and then that plugs into the back of the welder right there. More electric stuff. Oh, and also I forgot to show you this little pluggy thing with all the prickly things. It's for your foot pedal. That plugs into the front right down there. Whenever you do TIG, you don't need it for stick, just TIG. Oh, there's a shoulder strap. Ball in. I don't even know what that's for. Ground clamp. This will put in right there. Do research, read the instructions. These are sheet metal gauge. I'm gonna open this quick, actually. I wanna see what these are. Sheet metal gauges. Fancy. That's actually cool that they give you this. That's sick. Hell yeah. So they have the, one of these is metric and one's standard. I don't know which one's which, but it's pretty cool though. One's got point numbers and then the other's just numbers. So that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty nice of them to give us for the low price of like $700. There's your stick holder. See? Pretty, beautiful. More stuff. Oh, now we get to the cool stuff. Here's your little TIG torch. With your nozzles or your cups, you get a 6, a 5, and I'm assuming a 4. Hell yeah, a bunch of nozzles and stuff already. Sick nasty, dude. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put this stuff back in the box because I ain't got nowhere to put it yet. Dude, that's pretty cool that it comes, like, sets it up. And for those of you that want to know, like, welders aren't like super cheap, but they're also like, you can get like non-expensive ones. This one was $700. The Lincoln electric one of this version, like Lincoln's version of it, is like I think $1,600. So I'd say this one's like a better option. Plus, like the reviews are pretty good on these, so figured I'd get one because why not? Better to weld my own stuff than have to pay someone to weld my stuff, because that would suck and be stupid expensive when I could just get a welder and then I could just do a lot more stuff and fix my stuff for myself. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's just a little guy though. It's just a baby. It's just a baby. Yeah, that was my quick review on this. Oh, unboxing on this, not a review. Unboxing. These are all the parts for the RX-7. Now I'm gonna put this little guy right here until I can use him. Stay, good boy. And then put the stuff with it until I get to use it. That's not a good idea.